You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that is quite confusing. This is an adjective in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, more correct pronunciations, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to listen to and learn from. The British English pronunciation is as staunch, staunch. Now, the Americans, the US pronunciation is more generally as staunch, all right? So it's a more open R sound as opposed to the British English that is more of an O sound. So, how to pronounce in English, staunch, or US pronunciation, staunch. And now you know. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.